We're now moving into the breathwork technique, which means that you breathe deeply. Welcome to my demo of a breathwork transformation session. So it's mouth breathing only. I'm Dr. Itai Ivtzan. I'm a psychologist, a university professor, an author, and the owner of the School of Positive Transformation. I've been practicing and teaching many different transformation techniques. And circular breathing is one of the most powerful practices I have ever taught. Pull a bow for the inhale and then release as we exhale. Beautiful. Yeah. Great. Breathwork is an umbrella term that refers to any practice in which we modify or control our breath for personal transformation. But here, as part of this practice, we experience circular breathing. We don't pause in between inhales and exhales, which makes the breathing transformative. Move inside with your breath. There are different names and approaches to circular breathing. You might have heard of holotropic breathwork or rebirthing breathwork. In my own teaching, it is called Breathwork Transformation. Good. Breathe, feel. Yes, yes, right there. Yes, feel it. Breathe into it. Yes. As part of Breathwork Transformation, we breathe through the mouth. We do that to consciously trigger the sympathetic nervous system to engage and address the experience of our emotional challenges within the body. Allow the breath to guide you into whatever it is you have inside. Yes. And then in the safe environment of the breathwork session, you can observe your emotional response and release. Let it go. You are safe. You are safe. Feel with your breath. Feel. Think about it as Pandora boxes that you hold within you. Normally doing your best to avoid them, right? Because something is scary about those boxes. Let the breath guide you. Let it guide you. You know that if you would open them up and look inside, they might trigger discomfort. Allow it. Just allow. Yes. Slip into it. And here, in our breathwork session, we create a safe container in which you can open those Pandora boxes safely. Inhaling and exhaling through the mouth creates a direct bridge into anything that is sitting within you. The impact of breathwork is individual, right? Things might feel different. A variety of body sensations or different emotional responses. The mind opens up. Anything could happen. And it's all helpful. It's all healing, transformative. That is the gift of breathwork. Doing such an amazing work. Yes. Like a wave, your breath is carrying you into the ocean of your experience, the ocean of your emotions. Breathe and feel, breathe and feel, breathe and feel. Yes. I have been a therapist for more than 20 years. I have thousands of therapy hours with my clients. And I've seen people in breathwork sessions working with and letting go of stuff that a full year of therapy wouldn't have accomplished. Deeper, slower, deeper, slower, deeper, slower. Yes, beautiful. You're doing such a great job. That's amazing. So much courage. Breathe. Think about it. Yes. A full year of therapy in 60 minutes of breathwork transformation. Yeah, I can feel it. It's not easy. You're working through something. You're touching this internal wall. Can you breathe into that wall? Yeah, feel it dissolve. Feel it dissolve. Beautiful. You're safe. Let it happen. You're safe. Let it happen. Slowly, gradually, you can go back to breathing through your nostrils, through your nose. Marinate in this incredible feeling of being connected to yourself, being aware of yourself, noticing yourself, noticing your heart, noticing your body, noticing how you feel inside. Can you tell me, how do you feel? How was the breathwork session experience for you?
So powerful.
Powerful.
I felt here. The last one. That pain being tapped into.
The pain that's being tapped into. Mm.
My body knowing what to do.
Mm. Yeah, it's been probably passing out. Isn't it amazing?
It really does.
It's really,
So intelligent.
yeah.
I was just in awe of what it was doing to heal itself.
Wow. So it sounded like you were healing yourself
Yeah.
while you were breathing.
Yeah. And I wasn't controlling it. Now my eyes don't want to open.
Keep them closed. Let them remain closed for as long as they want. I feel that it's as if they want to still stay connected with that internal experience. Breathwork would allow you to break free, become aware of anything that holds you back, and then release it. Thank you for your courage. Breathwork will change your life.
Thank you so much.